Your avatar is set, you're ready to block. Blocking is one of the more important areas of Stage Pro in terms of its capabilities. There are a couple different ways to block. You can do drag and drop, or you can use what we call notations. The notations are set up in Customize Options. You go under Blocking, and you go here and add the different notations you want to do. If you don't know standard notations, just look under Tips. It gives you some ideas of what some standard notations may be. Let's go back to the blocking screen. Each line of the play is shown here. Notice that I can drag and drop and move anybody I want on any of these different pieces of the stage. When I move off that line and I move back, they are there. Another way to do blocking for people who like to block with notation is just go through, pick the line you're on, pick a position, and pick the button. It puts that in there. You come back, it's in there. So you can have it and you can have the text change and things like that. Notice that the color of the lines are changing from blue to black. That only designates whether something has moved since the last time. So if it's black, no one has moved until you get to the next blue line. And you can see that's a really quick way to see where the movement is. If you need to have multiple things happen on one line, maybe for this line you need to show this character A moving across stage. What you can do is go and split this line. So go over here, you're going to mark this, split this line, and now it makes two lines. So now you have thank, and I'm trying to figure, there it is. So it made two lines, 18.1, 18.2. So here I can start and then go to the next line, and I can move during that portion where he should go. So I can have the character move across, and you can break the line as many ways as you want. You can remove a split, you can select a scene. Other tips is you can flip the left right if you want, turn off grid lines if you want. Very powerful things. This is one of the more important areas in terms of making your production management easy. And like anything else, you can make a report. So you can make a report for your blocking. Let's generate a blocking report. And it shows everybody where they are per line. If you want to change the perspective, change the perspective. It shows it now from the actor's perspective. Lastly, we put in rehearsal numbers. The idea with this is it's small numbers within the script. If you see it, 5, 10, so that you have an exact line reference if you need it. Electronic scripts don't really have page numbers or line numbers, but now we put those in to force you if you want to say line 10. If you're using the MyLines app, you can always go to a specific line. So this helps you get everybody to the same place.